In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete and uninstall games here on a Steam Deck using two easy methods. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far the easiest and most direct way is to hit the Steam button and then scroll down, and you're going to see settings in this section. Go ahead and hit A to open that up. Once you go ahead and open that up, what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see the storage option on here. Once you're on storage right here, select it, and then you're going to see a few different options. It's going to show you how much space you have left and a full list of installed games. Essentially, just highlight whatever game it is that you want to remove. For example, Baldur's Gate right here. You'd select it and then just hit X just like so, and you'll see a warning letting you know that if you uninstall it, you will need to download a game to play it in the future. I'm obviously going to cancel that real quick. But you can also uninstall directly from your game library. So either open up your recent games or just go ahead and open up the library itself. Once you find the game, go ahead and press the options button, which is going to be the 3 lines button. Hit manage, hit uninstall, and the game will be removed. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel though. With all notifications on, it really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.